Are you struggling to attract consistent clients for your coaching, consulting, or training business? Growing a coaching, consulting, or training business shouldn't feel like a never-ending hustle. Yet, too often you find yourself relying on referrals that come in unpredictably, posting on social media, hoping that you can get some type of engagement, or spending time on calls with unqualified leads. It's exhausting and it's inconsistent, it's not predictable. Meanwhile, right now, there are potential customers actively looking for what you offer. But instead of finding you, they're finding your competitors. Why? Why are they finding your competitors compared to you? Because successful coaches and consultants don't just rely on leads. They have systems in place to nurture and convert leads into sales effortlessly, and as well as attracting leads in the first place. So there are two ways to get clients for your coaching business. There are two main ways to discover clients that are ready to hire you. The first way is direct methods, and this is clients who are actively searching for you. These are people who already know that they need help and they are looking for a solution right now. If they don't find you, they'll hire somebody else instead. Google searches, for example, when someone types in best business coach near me or executive leadership training, they are actively looking for a solution right now. So if you're not visible, they'll go to whoever shows up first. You can also use paid ads. Running strategic ads allows you to have immediate exposure to those people who are actively looking for you at that very time. So instead of waiting for them to find you, you can position yourself as the go-to expert exactly at the time they are ready to make a decision. Another way to attract leads is by using local marketing, and that can be done using Google Maps or local SEO, because many clients prefer to work with someone who is nearby. So by optimizing your Google business profile or Google Maps and ranking in the local 3-pack, you show up when your potential leads or your customers are finding you in your local area, leading to inbound calls and inquiries. You can also have a systemized cold email outreach put in place for your business. So as what you can do with this is that you can have a well-crafted automated email system which allows you to reach out directly to your ideal customers, introducing your services and book qualified calls at scale. The key is to use personalized, value-driven messages that resonate with the decision maker. Now here's the problem. Many coaches and consultants focus on direct methods only, and they get frustrated when the leads don't come in. And that's because not everyone buys leads immediately, which is why these indirect methods are just as important as your direct methods. Now the second way, which I just mentioned now, is indirect methods, and that is clients who need to see your value first before they actually commit. And these are potential customers who don't realize that they need you, but yet they'll become interested once they see the value that you provide. This is where you help to build trust and authority before they make a decision. You can use things like high value lead magnets, offering them something of value like a free guide or assessment or training in exchange for their contact details, which then turns website visitors into warm leads, people who may be ready to buy today but are interested enough to stay connected. You can try webinars, free training, and content marketing. So running educational sessions or industry insights through blogs, videos, and social media allows your potential customers to experience your expertise before they commit. The more value you provide upfront, the more trust you are building. Another way coaches and consultants can drive more leads is social proof and authority building. So when potential clients see testimonials, case studies, and consistent value from you, they start seeing you as the expert. This makes it much easier for you to convert them into a sale or even get them onto a phone. Another really powerful way to attract leads for your coaching and consulting business is by creating a high converting landing page. And I'm not just talking about a fancy website, because many coaches and consultants focus on having a beautifully designed website, but that alone is not going to convert visitors into clients. A high converting landing page is designed specifically to capture leads, build trust, and guide visitors towards booking a call or signing up to your offer. Now, without this, even the best marketing efforts totally go to waste. The mistake most coaches, trainers, and consultants make, they focus only on getting leads, but they don't have a system in place to consistently nurture the leads and convert your leads into paying customers. And here's where the secret is. The secret is automating the follow-up so that it leads to conversions. Because leads don't mean anything if they're not being nurtured and you're not converting the leads into paying clients. The key is having a back-end system that runs on autopilot, a system that follows up your leads all automatically through email, SMS messages, voice messages, so the leads don't go cold. A system which qualifies your leads automatically only allows you to spend time with the system or the people that are more serious and are ready to buy, rather than focusing on tire kickers. You need a system in place that books calls directly into your calendar without lots of forthgoing off emails, toing and froing, or messages. The system should all do it itself. A system is what you need that keeps prospects engaged with value-driven follow-ups. So until they're ready to buy, instead of letting them forget about you, they're constantly remembering you because you're constantly staying in front of them. Now, most coaches and consultants fail because they don't have this system in place. They spend time chasing leads manually and let them go cold. The truth is, high value clients need multiple touch points before they say yes. And without having an automated follow-up system, you're leaving money on the table every single day. What happens when you implement this? Instead of constantly chasing your leads, you'll have a predictable flow of high quality clients booking into your calendar ready to work with you. No more wasting time on unqualified leads. No more hoping for referrals or engagement. Just consistent high value clients coming into your inbox on autopilot. So here's the choice that you have. You can either carry on doing what you're doing manually, chasing your leads, hoping for referrals, dealing with unpredictable incomes, cold calling your potential customers, having the phone being put down on you, or you can put a system in place that attracts, nurtures, and books high quality clients into your diary without you having to do all the heavy lifting yourself. This is exactly what we've helped coaches and consultants and trainers to do, just like yourselves. We've helped countless professionals to stop endless hustle and start building their predictable, scalable business. So if you're ready to finally take control of your business, then the smart way is let's talk. Click on the link below and let's schedule a free strategy call, because what will help you to do is that there'll be a no fluff, no pressure call, just a proven plan to help your business to grow. But don't just wait. Don't just wait like a lot of people do, or maybe you already have been doing, because every day that goes by, you're giving somebody else an opportunity to steal your customer, which should otherwise be yours. So click on the link below and let's jump onto a call, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye for now.